Video is on lowering the pressure of a power steering pump for rack and pinion steering that comes with the Holley mid mount. Now this pump happens to be a Holley 198-101, and the internet claims it's 11 to 1200 psi. I have a Flaming Rivers power steering rack, and it needs to be down around 4 to 800 according to Flaming Rivers. I gave them a call. They said that's where their racks run without blowing seals. Now to get this out, you gotta take your pump out and that stuff, and then you got this thing, this pressure thing. Now this one is like 18 millimeters, and the one they sell that's supposed to reduce the flow rate is 1 inch. And it's a tight fit. Not going to use it. According to Holley, or the internet, the pump only flows 2.8. Flaming River says they like to see about 2 gallons per minute. So 2.8 ain't that bad, so we're going with that. Now this is the kit you buy from Borgeson. Comes with a few of these. O-ring. I'm keeping the factory O-ring. It's an orange one, so Holley did put a really good O-ring in there. I put 3 shims because this starts at 1350, and I want to go down to about 900. So I'm gonna just use 3. I think 4 would be too much. 3 would put me in the spot. So it's real simple. There's 100 videos on YouTube how to put these shims in. You don't have to be a brain surgeon or a rocket science to do it. But one thing you do have to do to get this out, goes right there, is you have to slide the pulley off a little bit. So you got to pull off the pulley a little bit, get it out there so you can get something in there that's really tight and compact. Here's another little tip. Always use a power steering pulley that has holes in it. The solid ones, garbage. Pain in the ass max. Because to get the bolts out that hold the power steering pump in the vehicle, you have to take off the pulley. For this, you could just reach right through and put your bolts in. So you don't have to take off the pulley in the vehicle. Whole lot easier, not a PSI at all, or a PIS, whatever you call that. So there you go, pretty simple. So I'm going to be reusing this. This is supposed to be 2.8 gallons per minute flow. Now this should be down around 800. Now they say this pump will flow 88 at idle and 2.8 at high RPM. So there you go, that's what I'm putting in there. So the reason I'm doing this is the Flaming River rack would howl a little bit when you turn into a parking space, or made not even a lock-to-lock turn, just a slight turn would howl a little bit when you had to hold a turn. Alright, thanks for watching.